Hey everybody, just wanted to show you my first order from Leslie Pope. She sent this. Thank you for supporting a small business. Happy beading, Leslie at Twisted Sista Beads.com. And she gave this little cute pack. These are little symbols. I think these are bead endings, right? In my pack, I got this leather dots and dashes leather wrap bracelet. I wanted to make this. I thought it was really pretty when I saw it on her website. And so then she emailed me, I think she emailed me the instructions on how to put it together. And in my pack, she provided some needles, big eye needles. She provided this nice gift. She provided some, this looks like it's 1.5 millimeter or 2 millimeter. Let me see. I don't have my little millimeter thingy, so I can tell how big this is. I think this might be 1.5 or 2 millimeters. Where's my little measuring thingy? Oh, it's bigger than a 1 millimeter. Okay, so I got that. So I got this and this. And then there's some sea beads here. They're 8/0 sea beads. I like how she puts little stickers on everything. And then she sticks it on this card. That's very organized. Then in here, this looks like a tiara cast button. Oh, I'm excited. And then she gave some thread. This looks like some thread. I don't know what size, maybe silk thread, it kind of looks like. And some Baroque cabochons. I like how she put the label in the inside of the bag. That takes time. Aren't those nice? Yeah. Yeah, they have that little shine inside. Dichroic, I think that's what it's called. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. And then put that back on there. Did I rip it all the way off? I might have. No, I didn't. I didn't rip it all the way off and put it back. Why, you might add? So I don't lose it before I make something with it. And then some green diamond gem duos in a matte green. Pretty. Oh, wow. Like those? Those are nice. Very, very nice. Ooh, what quality. Okay, so this is gonna make up my wrap bracelet. I make wrap bracelets all the time. I am a big fan of wrap bracelets. Big fan. And so I cannot wait to make it. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like that. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so that's one thing that I got from her. And what turned me on to her site was when she was on with Danielle Wicks. Was it Danielle? No, it wasn't. It was wasn't it? No, it was Jody. It was Jody and Jennifer Miller. that's where we were. I was on there. Jennifer has a series of guests that she has in there doing the stash camp. That's where I saw Leslie, and she was talking about what she had. She was talking about these on her website. And so I went to go get the Chill Matte bundle. And when I went over there, I just started exploring. And then I saw this bracelet, and I decided that I wanted it. But yeah, this is the Frozen Matte Hot Pink Gem Duos. Look how organized this is. I like it. 8 grams. These are the Frozen Matte Blue and Purple. 8 grams. Frozen Matte Electric Blue. 8 grams. And then the Frozen Matte Purple. Frozen Matte Purple. And the Gem Duos. And then the Frozen Matte Pink Purple Gem Duos. If you've never ordered anything from Twisted Sista Beads, I would encourage you to go on over there, because she provides you with some quality stuff. You know, I have been talking about the way that folks present their stuff to you, and I really like how she's presenting this. I really do. I think this is, you could tell she takes her time to package all this up for you and me. Everything's so nicely labeled. I like it. I didn't spend a whole lot. She wasn't overpriced or anything. I think I paid maybe $40 or something like that. But I like what I got. I'm very happy with it. So run on over the Twisted Sisters. See what you can get. She's very kind, and she provided the directions on how to put the bracelet together in my email, and I can't wait to get started. Have a good one, y'all, and go make something beautiful. Take care.